Hello everybody, it's your boy. Today I'm going to show you how to construct a toilet. It's very easy, you can do this from home. Don't look at my butt, you pervert. What you really need to do is just take all the different parts of the toilet and scatter them all over the floor around you. And then you got your big chunk, you want to set that down. And then you got your second big chunk, and you just want to put it together with the first big chunk, and the two should just fit perfectly snug. This is going to be your foundation. The only tool that you need to do this is a hammer, and you just want to lightly tap around the edges of your foundation. And all those different parts that you scattered amongst the floor shall just fall perfectly around the outside. And that should be how you do it, and your toilet shall be complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have a wonderful day.